All right, so 2019 Ram Classic. This is the one I did some other videos in. Little update. I wanted to get a new cover for this, so we did. I actually had another truck I put it on, but I wanted to do a refresh and get something new. So I found this one on Amazon. It's actually the same brand that I ordered. I put on my 2018. That one is a crew cab shorter. So it actually made that one cheaper than this one. This was around 250 bucks. Let's break this thing open and let's get it unboxed. Let's get it installed. All right, pretty easy. Make sure to cut here, not through the box, because you can damage what's inside. Comes with a seal. Looks like some instructions, some different stuff. The seal gets installed at the very front of the bed. Alright, there's not really much to these. They come in a very nice seal. I guess you would call this a storage unit if you have to remove it from the truck. A bag with a drawstring. Here we go. Here's our actual instructions. All right, let's take a look at the instructions here. All right, so it shows you a couple things here for install. We're going to install this first across the front, gives it a good seal. Basically, now that this is unboxed, we'll find the front. I like to take and set it up like this, and then I fold them out. Then I can look from the back and get both sides aligned and get it squared up. Then I fold them, and then I'll attach the front brackets that hold them in place. Looks like they have the twists in the front and the handles in the rear. Multiple locations. Obviously these fit different trucks. Says we need a Phillips head screw driver. Okay. Checking for gaps, making sure stuff's tight. And pretty simple. It's a pretty simple installation. So with that, let's get this front strip here installed. No matter what, you're going to want to have a clean surface here to start with. So I'm going to grab window cleaner and a paper towel. You can see I've got like some dust, dirt, and maybe some pollen yet still on this. So we're gonna get this area cleaned, and then we're gonna get, where's it at here? We'll get our front seal installed across the front. Okay, got everything cleaned up. Let's unbag our seal. Clamp pad and spacers for the clamp so you don't have to tighten it so much, which is cool that they give you that. Now these is probably extra, yep. So I'm just going to lay this in place. I'm going to stay probably toward the inside edge here. The way I like to do this is I'll get it stretched out, hold it where it needs to be, and then just give this a pull and come back through, get it laid down where it needs to be. No different than if you're putting like vent shades on. This just seems to be the best way to do this. Now at the end, we have the knife. So I'm just going to come here. Alright, so I have it set on here. What we're going to do is sit over here gently and carefully try to guess round about where we want to be. We're going to undo our latches. Folded. Okay. Packing material pulled off of here. Seems pretty sticky with the new seals. I think I have to This is probably the most time-consuming part of the entire installation, at least for me. I'm very picky. I'm actually kind of happy with that, so I'm gonna hold it down here. Roll this up. Okay. So I'm gonna get these undone and we'll get it installed. All right, so We have our safety tie in place, and we have our handle. I did use both of these just to make it easier so I didn't have to tighten down as much spinning. So I'm going to finish up the other side, and then we'll do the fold out and we'll get the back part of this attached. Loose. We're going to be moving these over. Alright, I'm going to grab a screwdriver. Going to take this screw out and slide this over. Some of these do actually slide in here on some of the brands, but I guess like this one doesn't. I wanted to show this one. I didn't realize there was a nut on this side. So when I pulled that one off, I ended up dropping it. Luckily, it went right into my truck bed and it was cleaned up. If you push in on the screw while you're loosening, it pushes the nut out, and that is a thread lock nut. So I'm just using a little screwdriver, giving it a push in, which is allowing the screw to come out on this side so I can grab it. And then you're just going to lift this, sit it back down in, put the screw through the hole. Come on, go through the hole. Oh, now it's making me look bad. Went right through on the other one. There we go. Then make sure this side you'll be able to see the lock, plastic nylon lock on there. Stick that in and then tighten it up. Easy enough. So they're moved over. We're going to flip this back. This side I think will be a little tight over here compared to that one. That's how you can tell you're off just a little bit, but there's usually enough play in these where you end up being all right with no issues. Now, get you down under here. Hopefully there's enough light, which I don't think there's going to be. There we go. So, I'm going to take this, spin it, get this to lock up on here. Pull down on this handle, okay? So you can see we're too loose. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this up, then spin this up some. All right, try it again. Nope, still a little loose. Almost there. I'm going to give it 2 turns. I think that this will make this tight enough on this side. Yep. Right. Very nice. Alright, I'm going to get this side over here finished up. We'll get the tailgate shut. Then we'll take a look at our finished work. Alright, very impressed. Little disshapedness here. A very nice cover to be putting on this truck. Very nice. Alright, man. Like I said, I'm happy with it. It was this brand. It took about a week for it to get delivered through Amazon for me. I believe it was through UPS, not an Amazon shipping. So, they do sell them different sizes for other ones. But as I said, this one is the quad cab, so it has the 6'4" bed. So, there's the number for it and stuff. Like I said, I liked it on my I like this on my 2018, and it's a crew cab, so it has a 5.7 bed. It was a trifold also, or that was a trifold, I think. This is a quad. What was it? 1, 2, yeah, trifold. So very nice. All right.